Good morning, children. In the last class, we were learning about in the refraction of light, we were learning about the denser medium, the rarer medium, and the ray diagrams of the denser and rarer medium. That means the light ray when traveling from rarer to denser and the denser to the rarer medium. Okay? Right. Today, we'll go with refractive index. Refractive index. Okay. Refractive index. Okay. Refractive index is defined as the ratio of the speed of the light in the vacuum to the speed of the light in any medium, children. Okay. The ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the medium. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. Here, children, the ratio of the speed of the light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium. That means here we are comparing the speed of light in any medium with the speed of the light in the vacuum, children. Okay, we are comparing the speed of light in any medium to the speed of the light in the vacuum. Normally we represent the speed of light in the refractive index as n, children. We represent the refractive index as n. That means we denote the refractive index as n. Normally n is equal to c by v. Okay, where c is called as the speed of the light in vacuum, children. Normally we represent, that means we denote c as the speed of light in vacuum. Okay, speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium. Okay, here the speed of light in vacuum is constant, that is, it is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Speed of light in vacuum, it is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. And then what do you take about the v? That means v is the speed of light in any medium. That it can be of air, it can be of water, it can be of a glass, anything, children. Okay, therefore v is this refractive index, the speed of light in any medium, whereas c is the speed of light in vacuum. The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Normally the velocity of the light in vacuum we represent by the meter per second, children. Okay, that is the speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, and here the speed of light in medium is taken as v. Okay, n is equal to c by v. When we come across this refractive index, first blindly you should remember that n is equal to c by v. Okay, n is equal to c by v. That means comparing of the speed of light of any medium with respect to the vacuum, that is called as a refractive index. Okay, in textbook we have the different refractive index. Okay, different refractive index are there in the textbook. Normally we take the refractive index of different medium, that is the refractive index of air. Okay, I think you got the idea. That is refractive index. The ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in the medium is called as the refractive index. Refractive index is denoted with n. Okay, the units of refractive index, there are no units for the refractive index. N is equal to c by v, whereas c is the speed of light in vacuum and v is the speed of light in any medium. Okay, and here c is the see it is having the constant value, that is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, children. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, C is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, children. Therefore, here V means here we take the speed of light in air or water or glass or anything, children. Okay, this is about the refractive index. In the textbook, he had given the refractive index of the different medium, children. Okay, just we see the refractive index of different medium. That is, here air is there, children. Material medium is given. Here it is refractive index. Air is 1.0003. Okay, that means its value is 1.0003. Here 0003 means it is having a very light magnitude of value, children. Okay, very less magnitude of value. Therefore, we say that the refractive index of air is same as that of the refractive index of the vacuum. Okay, children. Therefore, here the refractive index of air is 1.0003. And here next one we are having ice, children. Ice is 1.31. Water is 1.33. Kerosene is 1.44. Fused quartz 1.46. Turpentine 1.47. Crown glass 1.52. Benzene 1.50. Canada balsam 1.53. Rock salt 1.54. Carbon disulfide 1.63. Dense flint glass 1.65. Ruby 1.71. Sapphire 1.77. Diamond 2.42. All these are the ratios of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of the light in any medium, children. Okay, in the respective medium, okay, its speed of its refractive index is given, children. Here you see the table, children. Refractive index of some material media. It is the refractive index of some material media. Okay, that's about the refractive index, children. Okay, the refractive index. Normally we write n is equal to C by V. Small c, children, not the capital C. It is a small c. Okay, it is a small c. Okay, right. Small c we write. Right. This is about the refractive index, children. This is about the refractive index. Next, we'll learn. We'll solve a problem related to this refractive index. We solve. What are the units of refractive index? There are no units for the refractive index. Okay, there are no units for the refractive index. Now, see here, children. Find the speed of light in water. Speed of light in water if its refractive index is 1.33. The refractive index of water is 1.33. Then find the speed of light in water. Therefore, here, children, here what is given? Refractive index of water is given, that is 1.33. What is he asking? He is asking the velocity of light in water. Normally we have the formula, that is n is equal to C by V. N is equal to C by V. Here we write this as same formula, that is refractive index of water is equal to C by velocity of the water. Here W indicates water. W indicates water. Okay. Now here NW, that means is the NW given? Yes, 1.3. Do we know C? Yes, we know C. C value is always constant, 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Here he is asking to find VW. Here VW is equal to cross multiplication 3 into 10 to the power of 8 by 1.3. Okay. See actually VW is equals to 3 by 1.33. into 10 to the power of 8. We write this as 3 by 300 by 130. Why? Because we write this as 1.33 as 1.33 by 100. Therefore, 10 to the power of 8. If we cancel, we get 2.25. Okay, we get 2.25. Therefore, the speed of light in water is 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Therefore, here, whenever when we know the refractive index, we can able to find the speed of the light, children. And if we know the speed of the light, we can able to find the refractive index. Therefore, these are some few problems related to the refractive index, children. Okay, the remaining will be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.